Okay, we're out here in the 7.3 liter 1994 IDI diesel. It is kind of snow flurrying outside. I believe the temperature right now is 32. It went down to 16 last night. Wasn't plugged in. This truck usually doesn't really want to start in the cold. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't get it to crank up without it being plugged in. So we'll light the glow plugs. I'm gonna do that about 3 times. Okay, that's 1. Turn the key back, turn it forward. Gotta try and get those glow plugs as warm as we can. I doubt it starts. I'm probably wasting my video here. Now, of course, as you know, even after the light goes out, the glow plugs will still stay lit for 2 minutes. So, we can wait a second, turn it back, turn it forward, make sure, okay, got it in gear, got the 4-wheel drive out, make sure all of this stuff's off. Okay, and it's out. So press the clutch, and let's see if it lights. No shit. She's smoking like crazy. But goddamn, she lit. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Oh well. Shows how reliable those old 7.3s can be. That was fun. I'm out.